Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a limit order on Tradovate. So first of all, come here on tradovate.com. Then you just have to simply open that particular future contracts chart that you want to trade. Now over here, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply set your contract quantity. So over here, you can change the quantity level. So for example, let's say I want to change it from 5 to 2. After doing this, the next thing that you need to basically do is to simply select whether you want to place a buy order or a sell order. So for example, let's say I want to place a sell order when the market reaches to this particular level. So I'm just going to simply click over here. Then among the given options, I'm going to select the option of sell limit. So as soon as you do this, the sell limit line is going to basically come over here. So when the price crosses this particular level, your order is going to be placed. Now over here, in order to basically set the stop loss for this particular sell limit that you have added, you need to simply select the option of buy stop. So this is going to be your stop loss. Now if you want to place a, or if you want to set a buy limit order, then you just have to select that particular section where you want to place the buy order. For example, let's say when price comes at this particular level, I want to place a buy limit order with 2 quantity that I have selected. So as you can see, my buy limit line is this particular line. So when the price come here and crosses this particular line, my buy limit order is going to be filled. So for this particular thing, the stop loss is going to be the sell stop. So you just have to simply select it, and this way you will be able to basically set the limit orders. If this video helped you understand this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.